Hello, 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 and welcome to another rendition. Math is easy, step by step. In this particular video, I think it's video number 10 in a series where we're dealing with parallel lines cut by a transversal line. I'd like to talk to you about alternating interior angles, how they are congruent, and then in a moment I'll discuss alternating exterior angles and how they're congruent. And so I want you to look here and see how these angles 3, 4, 5, and 6, they're inside, right? They're interior angles. They're inside the two parallel lines, right? And 3 and 6 are alternating sides of the transversal line, right? So they're interior angles and they alternate sides. So angle 3 is congruent to angle 6. These angles are equal to each other. They're called alternating interior angles. Angle 4 and angle 5, right here, they are congruent to each other. They're considered alternating interior angles. So remember, these angles are inside the parallel lines and they're alternating sides of the transversal line. If I'm going too fast, please stop, pause, rewind the video. All right. So alternating exterior angles. So I want you to notice here we're talking about exterior angles. Look at angle 1 and angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. They are outside. They are outside the two parallel lines, right? That's why they're called exterior angles. And they are also alternating the sides of that transversal line. So they're called alternating exterior angles, right? They're outside angles of the parentheses. They're not interior, they're exterior angles. And they alternate. So angle 1 and angle 8, they're congruent. They're equal to each other, right? As far as measurement goes. Angle 2 and angle 7 are alternating exterior angles. Angle 2 is congruent to angle 7. Hey, if I've helped you, please help me bring these videos to others. Like, follow, share these videos. Your gifts, your donations, your tips, your time is most greatly appreciated. Math is easy. Just take it step by step.